Hey y'all, it is Martha here, and I am popping in today to share with you another Beebeecraft haul. I've done, I don't know, 3 or 4 on my channel so far, and this one is also sponsored with free products from them. And there will be a link in this description if you're interested in applying for the YouTube program. If you have 100 subscribers, you are most likely eligible. There'll also be a 10% discount code if you'd like to buy anything that I share with you today, and also a link to that product, and then a link to the website itself, so you can just check out everything. They have so many nice goodies. So, got that business out of the way. Let me share with you what I have bought. And I may need to open some of it, so I think I want to go ahead and at least take the plastic off of this one. And we'll have a closer look at them. And I didn't think about there being needing to do this, so it's taking me a little longer. But anyway, these are little faceted glass beads. Now, I saw someone else haul these from Beebeecrafts, and off the top of my head, I can't remember her channel, but I decided they were so pretty that I wanted to get some too. So these are just little faceted beads, and they're glass. And we have several colors here, kind of a pastel shades. There's kind of a teal. And this is a sparkly pink. And this is kind of, I don't know, it looks kind of gray to me, but it's iridescent like, so it's got a lot of colors in there. And this one is a light blue. And this one is, I guess it's a brighter pink, so maybe, I don't know, violet. But anyway, it looks like there are 6 different colors there, but they're very pretty and iridescent looking. So those will be linked. And then I got these fun little items. I thought it might be fun to come up with a project using these. These are like well, I need scissors, I think, for this one, and I have, okay, here we go. This is, they come in this cute little box, plastic box, and I think I saw these when I was just looking through the website to see what they had, and I thought they would be fun to try to figure out something to do with them. So they're like that oil slick color, and they kind of, this part kind of looks like a buckle, and this like a clasp, but I thought it might be fun to, I don't know, try to figure out some kind of project, maybe a tassel, I don't know, or, well, I have something else in mind, but we'll see. Oh, and some of them come attached like this. So really cute. And there's that one, it has a different shape. And then we have the D-rings by themselves, 2 different sizes. And then we have 2 different sizes, or is it 3? We have 2 different sizes of the little buckle looking clasps. And then we have another, so we have 2 of each style. I mean, we have a bigger and a smaller of the D-rings and the buckle clips, and then 2 of these kind of square on the end clips, and then 2 of the more rectangular ones. So all those pieces, and you get 2 of each style. And they're very pretty, iridescent, oil slick color, or whatever you want to call that. Beautiful. And then this one I kind of got for maybe a journal that I had in mind. And I believe, if I remember correctly, there are 10 yards of this fabric ribbon, and it's very pretty. And if I can find it handy, I thought this would look really cute on this box as a journal. I think that would be very cute. So I think I'll try that. But there's going to be lots left over. That's a lot of material right there. I like it. I don't remember off the top of my head how much it was, but if you're interested in it, follow that link, and I am sure it's not that much because most things aren't. Okay, and we have some of these little beads. So let's go ahead and open these and have a look, a closer look. Now, I think these are just plastic. I don't think they're the glass beads, but they look to be very cute. If I can find... Okay, there we go. So, we have some small heart, not heart. These are beads. Kind of small, but very cool. And a mixed colors. We have blue and pinks and purples and yellows. And then this one is a different kind of a flower bead. And they're a little bit smaller than the first ones I showed you. And then we have some green as well. And this is like a rose bead, the shape of a rose. And it also comes in different colors. We have white and purple and green, pink, blue. And then this one looks like they got kind of... Okay, I think these are roses too. So just, I guess it's... Yeah, both sides of these are roses. They're just more colors of them. And some of them look... I guess this side is kind of... is more shiny. So both the roses, these are more of a flat, little bit, well, they're flatter color than these. These are really, have like a iridescent sheen on top. So some pretty little flower beads. And let me see, do I want to show those? Let's show the smaller one first, and then all of these are like spring colors, which are really great for this time of year. Although summer will be upon us before we know it. But these are cabochons, and they're like little daisies, and some of them have leaves. Well, maybe they all do. Yes, they're just cabochons, and they're all different colors and the same colors as some of our other beads and stuff. So these don't have a hole. And then we have these beads, and these are in blue and yellows and greens, and they are bubblegum beads. I think the hole is, well, not the hole, but I think they are 20 millimeters. So aren't those very cute? I love these. And we have some little, we have a little bit of thread in there and some of those little tiny beads. I don't know if those are called seed beads or not, but they're really nice to use as spacers and things. But look at these beauties. Look at that sparkle. It's beautiful. And with the cute little stripy ones. And the polka dotted. These are kind of like the pink ones I bought, just in different colors. And then we have, you know, that does remind me of one of the, we used to call them jawbreaker bubble gums. And you could get them in the machine. Makes me want to pop one and eat it. Or chew it. Better not do that. And look at this one. Look at this pearl, like pearlescent. And this one has like, I don't know if it's glittery, it's just crackles in there or something. So, very beautiful beads. And I will be coming to you with a couple of videos over the next, oh, probably, well, they give you 2 months, but I'll probably get it done way before then. And share a few new projects with you that I have in mind. Oops, shaking y'all around. Sorry about that. And I have one more thing that I saw in a haul that Laura's Plans and Crafts did. And I thought it was very intriguing. Of course, I'm probably not going to use it for its intended purpose, but it's a bow kit. And you get a bunch of clasps, so like hair bows, you could use it that way if you wanted to. And then when you made them, and if you wanted to sell them, you get the baggies to go with it. But the most thing that interested me was the bows themselves, because they are so shiny and sparkly and glittery, and I thought they would be so much fun to go in some projects. And then you could just fold them up, and then I think they have like the small and the large, so you can make a double bow if you wanted to. And wouldn't that be cute, just to put a pretty little bead in there or something like that? That is so pretty. So we have the smaller size, and then we have the ones with the tails. And then here's are the little middles, if you want to put those around there to hold them together. And then here is the bigger pieces. So we have 2 sizes plus the tails and the middle pieces, and these are kind of a silvery color. And then we have the white. They're so pretty. I love this idea. Look at these. Oh, they're so pretty, y'all. And then we have some pinks. Beautiful colors. And then we have yellow. Look at that. That's so pretty. And I'll pull a few out so you can get a better look at the yellow, at how pretty it is. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it's fun to watch other people's BB crafts when they're also being sponsored, so you can see what you can find for yourself and figure out some new project to make. Here's the blue. And then we also have the red. And we have purple. And we also have a different, we have the light pink and the bright pink. And the red. Oh, there's so many colors. This was such a good deal. And you also get a couple of glue sticks. So you've got everything you need here except for the glue gun to make, if you wanted to make hair clips, or I don't know. I think it would be cute maybe on a tassel or a journal or just, you know, all kinds of projects. But anyway, that is all for my Beebeecraft haul. Y'all go check out the links. And if there's something you want, please click on one of those links and go check it out. If you want to be a YouTube, in the YouTube program, you'll find the link. You'll find the link to the entire website as well, so you can just go check out everything. And I really do appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see y'all again soon. Bye now.